Revolutionizing railways. The birth of electric trains. In the late 19th century, the world was undergoing a major technological transformation. The Industrial Revolution had already changed the way people lived and worked, and the next frontier was transportation. Steam locomotives had been the primary mode of railway transportation for decades, but engineers and inventors were constantly seeking newer, more efficient methods. The key innovation that would revolutionize rail transport was the development of electric trains. Unlike their steam-powered predecessors, electric trains did not rely on burning fossil fuels to produce steam. Instead, they harnessed the power of electricity, making them more environmentally friendly and efficient. The story of the first electric trains is closely tied to the development of electrical engineering. One of the pioneers in this field was the brilliant inventor and engineer Werner von Siemens in the late 1870s. Siemens developed the world's first electric railway in Berlin, Germany. This pioneering effort laid the foundation for the future of electric train travel. The first electric trains were powered by overhead electrical lines which transmitted electricity to the locomotives via a pantograph, a mechanism that made contact with the wires. These early electric trains were small, but they marked a significant step forward in the history of railway transportation. The success of these experimental electric trains led to the development of more extensive electric rail networks in urban areas. Some of the earliest electrified rail lines included the Lichterfelde tramway in Berlin and the Portrush to Belfast Railway in Ireland, both of which began operation in the late 19th century. However, it wasn't until the early 20th century that electric trains began to see widespread adoption. The electrification of urban transit systems became a common practice in major cities worldwide, from New York to London to Tokyo. Electric trains provided cleaner and more efficient transportation, helping to alleviate the pollution and noise associated with steam locomotives. One of the most iconic early electric trains was the Metropolitan Vickers in England, which started running on the London Underground's District Line in 1905. This event marked a significant milestone in the history of electric train travel, as it showcased the practicality and efficiency of electric propulsion. Electric trains were not limited to urban transit. Electrification of mainline railways became more prevalent as well, leading to faster and more reliable long-distance train travel. The famous Pennsylvania Railroad in the United States was a pioneer in electrifying its tracks, introducing electric locomotives to its network in the early 20th century. The development of electric trains also brought about significant advances in electrical engineering. Engineers had to design efficient electrical systems, overhead wires, and substations to power the trains, all of which contributed to the growing field of electrical infrastructure. As the 20th century progressed, electric trains continued to evolve. High-speed electric trains, such as the Japanese Shinkansen and the French TGV, redefine long-distance rail travel. These modern electric trains are known for their speed, efficiency, and environmental benefits. The electrification of railways is still ongoing in many parts of the world, with a growing emphasis on sustainability. Many countries are transitioning from traditional fossil fuels to cleaner sources of electricity, such as wind, solar, and hydroelectric power, to power their electric train networks. In conclusion, the development of the first electric trains represented a significant turning point in the history of transportation. These trains offered a cleaner, more efficient, and environmentally friendly alternative to steam locomotives, ultimately shaping the future of rail travel and paving the way for the high-speed electric trains we know today. The journey from Werner von Siemens' early experiments to the sleek electric trains of the 21st century is a testament to human innovation and the drive to improve the way we move people and goods. I hope you find this extensive story about the first electric trains both informative and engaging.